Whoa! Look around Bloop Town. Numbers are hiding everywhere. Let's follow the magic numbers and discover them together. Numbers help us know how many things we have. Let's follow our number spark and see what we can count. 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples. Numbers tell us exactly how many.
Look up! The apples became birds. Let's count them as they fly.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
The birds turned into bubbles. Let's count these sparkling bubbles. 6,
7, 8, 9, 10. Numbers are everywhere. On clocks, on doors, even on your own fingers and toes.
Look what we found! 2 piles of buttons. Which pile has more? Which pile has less? Let's compare them.
Wow! The buttons made stairs! Let's climb and count up together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, a rocket!
Now let's count down for blast off. 10, 9, 8. Ready? Blast off!
A triangle has 3 sides. A square has 4. Can you count the sides of a shape?
Let's count the sides of these shapes. 1, 2, 3 sides on the triangle. You are doing great! Now let's add them all together.
Addition means putting groups together to make a bigger number. 2 apples plus 1 more apple equals 3 apples altogether.
Subtraction means taking some away to make a smaller number. 5 balloons in the sky. 2 float away. Now there are 3 balloons left. A pattern is something that repeats, like red, blue, red, blue. What comes next? Red, blue, red! You found the pattern! Amazing job! Huh? 0 means none at all. Like an empty cookie jar.
Let's count your fingers together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on each hand.
Now count your friends. How many are playing together today?
Let's remember, we can count all the way from 1 to 10.
And remember, more means a bigger group, less means a smaller group. Addition puts numbers together, and subtraction takes numbers away.
And patterns repeat in a row. Can you spot one today?
Wow! You found numbers everywhere! You counted, compared, added, subtracted, and spotted patterns. Math is amazing! You're a number ninja too!
Thanks for counting with me today. Don't forget to subscribe for more Bloop Town fun.